On the outside of the box, you've got the reference number, and it's just a plain white outer. As we open it up, you can see the actual packaging itself, which has the Parker logo at the top, image of the moon, and this particular product is inspired by moonshot type thinking. So you've got a man trying to reach the moon using this pole vault here, and it indicates that it's an IM special edition. So this outer sleeve is plain other than this information on the front. So as we open up the sleeve, you've then got information about the product and some of its heritage. Parker IM or Parker IM. And underneath this piece of card, the pen is revealed, and it's held in place, of course, by the elastic, but you've got this nice grey ribbon feature. And the foam, it's actually more of a material padded cushion that it's on. And underneath this, you have information about the pen itself. And you've also got a handy little cartridge, which we'll get onto in a moment. So the pen itself has a grey, chrome and black colour scheme. As you can see on the barrel of the pen itself, you've got this line effect with arrows pointing towards what I guess would be the sky or the planets. So again, it's got this moonshot thinking and moonshot theme going on. You've got the Parker arrow, which is the shirt clip in chrome. And on the lid, you've got sort of circles and almost like a planet type design on here as well. And it's absolutely beautiful when you start to spin the pen. It feels quite a quality product. Unscrew the barrel, and then simply we get the cartridge and we pop it into here till we hear a click, and then we'll screw this up. Let's road test writing with a pen. This, by the way, is the medium nib with blue ink.